Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit on CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and anyway I think CapCut is one of the best app because we can do everything with editing video in one app. So how to use CapCut to create video easily for sharing or just for fun. You can download the CapCut apps and just open and click import or add some videos, photos, or audio that you want to edit, and just drag here to make a clip. And then you can check out the preview panel and then timeline here, uh, toolbar feature here, and you can split the clip, delete the clip, freeze, reverse, mirror, or that crop, and then change the aspect ratio, and then you can just for speed and add the animation, remove the background by cutout here, and you can add audio, text, sticker, effect, transition filter, and many more you can get in from CapCut. After you finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner, and you can adjust for a resolution, frame rate, and etc. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut for video editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate, and I share. Thanks. Bye bye.